Hi, this is Jennifer F. Charles 12, and I wanted to do a video on a new shampoo that I had acquired. It removes mineral and calcium hydroxide deposits from your hair, because when you use no-lie relaxers or any I think it's any box relaxers, it deposits calcium deposits on your hair and iron and minerals, and so when that stuff is on your hair, it weighs it down, and your hair, if you have longer hair, your hair is not as flowy. Like I have a daughter that I've grown her hair like to the down her back a little bit, and I think it's bra strap length, and her hair wasn't as flowy. And so then I was reading The Science of Black Hair by Audrey Davis, and it was on like I think it was on chapter 24, and it was talking about relaxed hair, and it was talking about removing those deposits, and it was talking about shampoos for hard water. So I went to Sally's and they showed me what they had, and they have one by Ion. It's called Purify. Purifying Solutions helps eliminate mineral buildup in hard and well water. Vegan free and sulfate and surfactant. Here's what it looks like. Oh, okay, there it is. Purify Ion. And it was about, I want to say it was about $12.99 or $13 something, because they didn't have the small bottle, so I had to buy the big bottle. And as soon as I washed it in my hair, it's like my hair had you know, I didn't feel so built up. And then like when my daughter used it in her hair, her hair was more fluffy, and she had more body, and her hair didn't feel its way down. And she was like, "What kind of shampoo is this?" And I'm like, "Oh, this is good shampoo." And like, since I had been doing box relaxers for years and years and years, and I thought that the neutralizing shampoo was the same. I think I had thought the clarifying shampoos were the same as this type of shampoo, because I had researched it, and it said shampoos with ETNA and stuff like that. But those shampoos are not the same as this shampoo. So you might want to check into it if you do no-lie box relaxers, because I was told when in The Science of Black Hair that if you use lie relaxers, it doesn't deposit calcium on your hair. But if you use, because those are already pre-mixed, so you don't have to mix it. And so if you use no-lie box relaxers, you have to mix it. And the difference between no-lie and lie relaxers are easier on hair and harder on your scalp. And no-lie relaxers are harder on your hair, but for sensitive scalps. So I use the no-lie because when I use a lie relaxer, my scalp be on fire. And so I have a sensitive scalp. Like I'm always dealing with itching and sore scalp, and if I use a lie relaxer, I get a lot of burns and stuff like that. And so that's why I use a no-lie relaxer. And when I go to the shop, most salons use a lie relaxer, which gets your hair more silkier and things, but they leave it on too long, so you're usually burning and you get a lot of scalp burns. Well, comment, rate, and subscribe.